Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a crystal point wire wrap in less than 2 minutes. If you like what you see, please subscribe to help and support me and Buck. So all you're going to need is one crystal, pliers, and one wire, about half your arm's length. You're going to take the wire, wrap it around the bottom 2 times really tight. You got to make sure it's tight. Take both the wires and twist them a couple of times, say about 3. Then you're going to take both wires and go around the other side and twist that about 10 times because we're already up to our bail. So you're going to twist that a couple of times. And then when you're done twisting, you are going to take it around and bend it. Hold it tight and then twist that, as you can see like I'm doing, about 3 times. You're going to take one of the wires and wrap that around the top just so it's extra tight and so your bail is not, moving around. And then take the other wire, do the same exact thing, and what we're going to do here is we're going to cut it. We're going to take it and put it through the wrap that we already have and twist it around the wire, and then you're gonna squeeze it pretty tight with the pliers. Make sure it's not sticking out. Cut your other end, and we're gonna do a little swirly guy here. You're gonna turn your pliers, clasp that a little bit so it's tight, and then you're gonna twirl that around 1, 2 times, and then you're gonna just press it up against the bail so it's not sticking out, and there you go. There's your wire wrap in 2 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. Again, if you like what you see, please subscribe. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, see you next time.